It's Big Sister for you. Yes, we are at the JEX Institute premises in Al Baraha, Dubai, Greenland Supermarket, first floor office 111. We are excited, overwhelmed with joy and happiness because the time where we are now is a time of jubilation. What are we jubilating at or for? It's all because of the baristas, the coffee roasters, the pastry and bakery chefs that are graduating this coming Sunday on the 26th at 4 p.m. at Asiana Hotel. Hundreds of them are going to be getting their diploma certificates. Yes, and we want to appreciate God for the fact that many of them are already working. Some are still completing their contracts in their previous workplaces, but we're strong that they are going to get jobs as well. So 26th of July, this coming Sunday, is the graduation. And that is why we're filled with a lot of joy and happiness. Yes, the place here, we are preparing for this graduation ceremony, a day that is so big, meaning a lot to us all as family, JEX Institute, but also to you, our community, the experts and the locals in this place. Being an institute that is improving lives of all people without discrimination or segregation, we are inviting you all to come and celebrate with us. Make it a point to be there. It's only 50 dirham. By the way, remember, we're outsourcing that service of food and the venue. So we ask that you pay a 50 dirham. The rest of the money will be covered by we, the administration at JEX Institute. But we would love you to be there with us. Please